Think back to the original computers, things like the original Macs. Even though those were old, clunky, and slow, that was the peak of technology at that time, and people made some amazing games for those. Things like Pacman, Asteroids, or even the original Super Mario Bros. Now zoom forward to today, and those big, clunky computers can be fit into something as small as this. What I'm holding here is a Raspberry Pi. I don't know about you, but I still enjoy playing those retro games, and I think it'd be really cool to have a way to play all of them in one place. Well, fortunately for you, this summer we have a camp that we're going to learn how to do just that. We're going to take these little computers, these Raspberry Pis, and we're going to make our very own gaming console. We're going to learn how to set these up, how to program with them, and how to integrate those old games onto new technology. It's going to be a ton of fun. We're going to learn a lot, and I really hope to see you this summer virtually for our Retro Arcade class.